Cheese never stops. The cheese never stops.
Hey guys, it's Katie, and this is my husband Chris.
Hi.
And today we're gonna cook together in the same kitchen. It's gonna be dangerous.
Delicious.
So I thought what would be really fun is if we tried to recreate our first date dinner.
Yes, which was deep dish pizza from a place here called Masa of Echo Park. And I remember picking that place because it takes 45 minutes for them to even make it, so there was a lot more time for us to actually hang out.
Is that really why you picked it?
Yeah.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes.
A little bit about this deep dish pizza. They're huge, they're cheesy.
Yeah, there's sausage in it, which is delicious.
The people that make it are from Chicago.
Yes, it's legit.
We think it's legit. We've never been to Chicago, so don't come for us.
We're gonna be sharing a pizza of our history.
To get started, we are gonna make the dough first.
Yes. I know that dough includes flour and water and love.
Aww, that's cute, gross. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we have some warm water here. We have about 1.25 cups.
Cool.
So we'll add our sugar,
Great.
mix that together, and then we're gonna add the yeast and sprinkle that on top. Let this bloom for about 5 minutes.
Bloom, okay.
It just means it's like gonna get activated. See how it's already starting to form ripples?
It already smells like dough.
Next steps, we're gonna add flour and some cornmeal. That's perfect.
Got it. That's salt in there. Whoa.
And then we should whisk that together just to make sure everything gets well combined. You're doing it a little delicately.
Well, I'm getting more confident. I'm getting more.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
I believe in myself. That looks whisked.
Are you trying to make a pun about it?
No.
Wasn't sure.
I would have said this is the whiskiest part of the whole recipe because I might smell everywhere.
Now we're gonna add the yeast concoction, and then we need to add the butter.
All right.
Okay, and then
You wanna do this?
Okay. You could do this with your hand too.
This is where I feel like if you were making this with a kid, this would be fun.
Yes.
They could squish with their
Are you
hand.
trying to say you wanna have kids right now?
Yes.
So you're gonna mix this till it becomes a shaggy dough. Let's add some flour to the tabletop. Okay.
Too much?
So when you flour a surface, spread it out so it's a light dusting and not like a bunch of flour is gonna be added to your recipe.
Right, right.
This is like too much.
Got it. So should I just sweep all this out of here?
No, that's fine. It's fine. We'll just stay away from that.
Stay away from my area, because it sucks.
We're gonna just
Wow, 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 wow.
dump this guy out. We're gonna mix it together with our hands.
Okay.
Maybe I should have brought it more together in the bowl.
No turning back now.
All right, you wanna take over?
Yes.
Push away and come back.
You just push
Push
away
away
the bad thoughts,
and
pull
roll.
in the good. Push away the bad.
Are we there? Let's see, does it spring back quickly? Yeah! So we put some oil in the bowl and we put the dough inside and then we're gonna top it with plastic wrap.
Plastic wrap.
And then we'll set this in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours so it can double in size.
Great. Find someplace warm. Flour on your face.
Can you get it off?
Yes.
Great, now we're even.
Now I'm a real chef.
We're gonna clean up and then we're gonna get working on the sauce next.
I'm excited.
All right, let's
I love
do it.
sauce.
Saucy. Let's get
Let's get saucy. Next, we're gonna make the tomato sauce, which on this pizza is like one of the best parts.
I feel like it's
super
the most
tasty.
important. The acid from the tomato really helps balance like the fatty cheese.
Yes. Ooh, that was smart.
Thank you. We have got some San Marzano
Whole peeled tomatoes.
And we're gonna put those through a strainer. So next, Chris, we're gonna need to crush these tomatoes with our hands.
So we're just gonna get in there and really just squeeze and smush them.
Yes, because we wanna get out any water
Got it.
from the sauce so that we don't have a soggy pizza.
Okay, great.
So, do you wanna
Yeah, I'll get in there. Whoa!
Wow.
This would be fun if I was a kid.
Stop talking about kids. Do you want children?
Yes.
All right, I feel like that's good. You've crushed them well. We'll transfer them to a saucepan.
Great.
We're gonna add some sugar,
Delicious.
red pepper flakes,
Red pepper flakes. Salt. Bam.
olive oil.
Pow.
Last but not least, we're gonna do 4 cloves of grated garlic.
We are cooking this down to get the water and excess liquid off so the pizza's not super soggy.
Bam! Pow!
Boom. Pow. Delish.
All right. When we were ordering, Chris tried to order 2 of these deep dish
Yes.
pizzas.
The server was like, sir,
That's obscene.
You're gonna get kicked out of here.
Okay, this looks nice and reduced. We're gonna turn the heat off and we're gonna add in some fresh basil. Next, we're gonna make mushrooms.
Yes, we are.
First thing we'll do, melt some butter.
Yes.
Add in some mushrooms.
Beautiful. Spoon. Whoa! I'm gonna use the lightest touch.
You're gonna let this saute for about 5 minutes. I think we're almost there. And then I've got a little salt here.
So we're just gonna season it with a little salt?
Yeah. We'll set those off to the side, let them cool.
Awesome.
And then one last thing.
Time to prepare the sausage.
One of my favorite parts about this pizza is that it has a huge like sausage patty on the top of it.
So good.
It's delicious, it's crispy.
Yes.
First thing we're gonna do is toast some fennel. Toasting it is just really gonna bring out that fennel flavor.
It makes it more aromatic?
Yes!
Is that a word?
That's
there
what
you
it
go.
is.
So delicious. We missed that, but
Fine,
it doesn't
it's
matter.
good, it's good. Toast this for about 3 to 4 minutes
Okay.
until they start turning brown. Then we're gonna transfer them to a cutting board.
Awesome.
We're gonna chop it up. You wanna do it?
Love it. Yeah, I'll chop.
Nice. Looks good. Add this to some Italian sausage
Woo!
without getting it everywhere. Okay, and then do you wanna mix it together?
Let's do it.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
I think that looks good.
Awesome.
All right, so next we have 2 pieces of parchment. Put the sausage to the parchment.
So we're basically making like a meat frisbee.
Yes. Gross. And then we're gonna put this parchment on top of our meat frisbee. And then we can kind of just use
Just
our
pat it down.
hands. You know what might be easier is if I get a rolling pin.
Yeah, I can get it.
Teamwork, guys.
There's a rolling pin. Wow.
It's not really a circle anymore.
No, that's pretty good.
Yeah. I think I have to lift this up. Oh, all right.
All right, so our sausage disc broke a little bit.
Put it back together.
That's almost 9 inches.
This looks like a massive pepperoni.
It looks like a big pepperoni.
It looks like we're putting
One huge.
Okay, let me go
Delicious.
clean my hands and then we're gonna assemble.
Boom.
Kiss to assemble.
Mwah! Boom.
Whoa.
That dough is huge.
We are not gonna use this whole thing. This is 2 pizzas worth of dough.
Awesome.
So we're gonna flour our surface. I'll let you do that.
Cool.
Do you think you know how to do it?
I think I know how to do it.
More like fancy, more magician throwing cards. Take the dough, cut them in half,
All right, let's do it.
and then I'm gonna put this in a
Perfect.
freezer bag, and you can freeze this dough for up to 1 month and make another pizza.
Awesome.
Next, we're gonna put our dough in a cast iron pan because the cast iron holds a lot of heat and makes the dough super crispy.
Yes.
Add a little olive oil to the cast iron pan, and you can use a paper towel to spread it.
So we're gonna smash this thing into there now?
Yeah, I think we can just add it in, and it should be easy enough to work that we can just spread it out. You want to make sure it just goes all the way up the sides of the pan.
Our first date shouldn't have been going to a deep dish pizza place. It should have been making a deep dish pizza.
Yeah. Though I don't really go over to people's houses on the first date.
Yeah.
You never know if they're gonna kill you.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Yeah?
Yeah, looks good.
So the next thing we're gonna add is cheese.
Oh my god.
Mozzarella cheese.
How much of this are we using?
The whole thing.
What?
We're doing the whole thing. It's gonna be worth it.
That's crazy.
So that you're gonna tear it and we're gonna add it to the bottom. The thing about Chicago deep dish is that the cheese goes under the sauce. Next thing we're gonna do is add our mushrooms on top.
It looks perfect.
Do you wanna add the sauce?
I would love to add the sauce.
All right.
All right.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
I felt like I did great. This is the real test. Can we put a giant frisbee of sausage cleanly onto this pizza?
All right. Should
All right.
I just?
I just go for it.
Just go for it.
Slam it. Ah! Oh my god. Look at that.
Last thing we need to add is some shredded Parmesan on top. Let's put this on a sheet pan.
Boom.
This is to make sure no mozzarella cheese boils over and burns.
Yes, not gonna have a cheese volcano spilling in the oven.
No. So we're gonna put this in the oven at what?
425,
For how long?
35 to 40 minutes.
Good job. Here we go.
Whoa. It looks perfect.
I'm shocked by how close we got it. All right, do you want to give it a cut?
I would love to do the honors.
Like our like a wedding? You do it by yourself. It's too dangerous. You do it.
Let's pull it up. Oh my god. Oh.
Keep pulling.
The cheese never stops. The cheese
Oh.
never stops. I am 4 feet above the pizza and the cheese just broke now.
Wait, that looks exactly like it.
That looks perfect.
Should we try it?
Yes, let's do it.
Oh my gosh.
That is really good. That's really good.
The sauce
The sauce is perfect.
is dynamite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To 7.5 years together and almost 5 years of marriage.
Hopefully 30 more at least.
I plan on living longer than that.
How old is that? How old does that make us? 60?
It's like 60.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'd like
I
to
guess
live longer than 60.
to 100 more years.
100 more years.